Subscribe EcoFam for more educational videos. Thank you.
Greetings, global citizens. Welcome to our YouTube channel where we embark on an exhilarating expedition through the intertwined realm of the global economy and energy. Today, we uncover the mysteries, shed light on complexities, and dive deep into fascinating dynamics that shape our world. So, get ready to be enlightened and entertained on this captivating journey. Let's start our exploration with fundamental truth. The global economy is the beating heart of our interconnected. It's like a bustling marketplace where currencies, goods, services flow across borders, creating a symphony of economic activity. From the Wall Street bulls to the Asian tigers, it is a stage where nations compete, cooperate, and dance to the tune of prosperity. However, just like any enthralling performance, the global economy has its twists and turns. A financial crisis that shook the foundation of the world, a domino effect that started with the collapse of Lehman Brothers in 2008. It was as if the world collectively gasped, holding its breath as stock markets plummeted and banks teetered on the brink of collapse. But fear not, for the global economy is a resilient creature. Governments, central banks, and economic institutions sprang into action, implementing measures to stabilize and revive the faltering economy. It was like a dramatic plot twist, a tale of resilience, adaptation, and indomitable human spirit. Now let us shine a spotlight on energy that fuels our modern lives, the power behind every flickering light and roaring engine. Energy is the invincible force that keeps our world spinning, and it comes from in many forms. From fossil fuels to renewable resources of energy, it is never-ending quest for sustainable power. Oh, fossil fuel, the classic rock star of energy. They have been dominating the stage for centuries, but their time in the limelight is gradually dimming. As we become increasingly aware of environmental consequences, renewable energies take central stage. It's like a battle of bands, a clash between traditional and sustainable power sources. Solar energy emerges as a shining star, harnessing the sun's rays to generate clean electricity. It's like having a superstar on the rooftop, effortlessly converting sunlight into power. And let us not forget about wind energy, the wild child of renewables, harnessing the Earth's breeze to spin turbines and create a sustainable whirlwind. Now let us talk about a live example that demonstrates the intricate relationship between global economy and energy, the rise of electric vehicles. It's like witnessing a revolution on wheels as electric cars zoom into a spotlight powered by renewable energy sources. The EV phenomenon isn't just about eco-consciousness, it is an economic game changer. As governments incentivize EV adoption, automakers are shifting gears, weighing for a slice of our electric pie. It's like a race to the future with countries and companies investing in charging infrastructure, battery technology, and sustainable mobility solutions. Take Tesla, for instance, a charismatic pioneer in the electric vehicle industry. It's like the Elon Musk show where innovation and ambition collide. Tesla's success isn't about selling cars, it's about transforming the automotive industry, influencing energy markets, and even venturing into space exploration. But let's not forget the role of geopolitics in the global economy and energy landscape. It's like high-stake game of chess where nations strategically position themselves to secure resources, influence market, and assert their power. Consider the OPEC saga, tale of power struggles, price wars, and geopolitical monitoring. It's like soap opera with oil as star, captivating audience. OPEC nations negotiate product levels and market shares. Their decisions have ripple effect across global economy, impacting energy prices and geopolitical alliance. Another captivating example is the renewable energy rivalry between United States and China. It's like witnessing tug of war. These economic powerhouses compete to dominate the green energy landscape. From solar panel manufacturing to wind turbine production, they engage into race for technology supremacy and clean energy leadership. It is a dance of innovation and national pride. However, amidst the fierce competition, we find moments of cooperation. The Paris Agreement, signed by nearly every nation on the planet, is like a grand ambassador performance by the United States from against climate change. It's showcased that recognition that addressing environmental challenges require global collaboration, transition, borders, and economic interests. As we conclude our journey through the global economy and energy, let us reflect on intricate web that binds them together. It is a dance between market, resources, and technology, geopolitics, a symphony where each player has a role to play and harmony is ever evolving. The global economy and energy are not mere abstractions. They impact our daily lives, shape our future, and offer opportunities for progress and prosperity. It's up to us as global citizens to stay informed, engaged, and proactive in shaping a sustainable and resilient world. Remember, the global economy and energy are not just serious business. They can be witty, intriguing, and even full of surprises. So let us continue this journey together, armed with knowledge and sense of humor as we navigate to ever-changing landscape of our interconnected world. That's the wrap of our witty expedition into the world of global economy and energy. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to hit a like button, subscribe to our channel, and share our thoughts in comment box below. Stay curious, stay witty, and remember the world of economies and energy is a stage of waiting for participation. Until next time, keep exploring and embracing the fascinating intricacies of our global world.